Look at this. There's 3,021 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. Just want to make sure and remind you guys that right now my trading group is 40 to 50% off when you pay in crypto for 6 or 12 months. Also, with 12 months, you do get 1 month free additional to that. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, to get ridiculously rich off of crypto, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. I'm going to keep you updated daily on the important news, the news that moves the market. Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups for free, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, waiting for the big move. It's coming in this green circle. Created kind of a triangle if you look at it from this perspective. Okay, so we're looking for a move here. Bitcoin likes to run to the end of these triangles. Now, let's zoom in real quick to some of the lower term time frames. But first, a word from our sponsor. Dude, I want to get one of these. Watching Bitcoin be like, dude, what is this called? And where can I get one? I just want to, I chill and sit on my computer like 12 hours a day. And I just want one of these because we could look at Bitcoin together and we could look crazy like this guy. Watching Bitcoin be like, this is what's happening on the 30-minute time frame. We've got this little rising wedge, broke to the downside, retested. Now it kind of looks complex, head and shoulder-ish, like a topping pattern, right? The bottom line is this: support needs to hold for the bulls here. If not, you're looking at essentially 9,100, 9,000, 8,950, a move to the lower trend line of this yellow falling wedge. A break higher, you could see 9,400, 9,600, 10,000. So there's a lot. It's all about to happen, baby. It's all about to happen. It's just not happening soon enough. Watching Bitcoin be like, hurry up. I've got some amazing shout outs to give. I can't even believe the outpouring from you guys on YouTube, from my trading group, from Twitter, from Facebook group, from everywhere, Instagram. Everybody's hitting me up and they're like, Chris, you've changed my life. And it's awesome, man. It's the best feeling in the world, period. Like, I thank you guys for this opportunity. This person said, I closed my month up $7,250. This person bought Ankr. Boy, ANKR has been killing it. We're going to talk about that in a second. Made a whopping 80% profit in 2 days. This person, hey, this is amazing. They got their government stimulus check, $1,200. And it's now $17,000. Your group is rocking, this person stated. Next person said, I joined the group 6 weeks ago after losing a ton of money in 2017, 2018. I've officially recovered as of today $17,000. $17,000 in 6 weeks. Boom. Life-changing money. Now, Stellar, I want to talk to you guys about this entire idea. And this is not, hey, buy this coin, it's going to the moon tomorrow. This is not, boom, going to happen in a day. This is, let me paint this picture for you and understand from a bigger macro perspective what's happening. So number one, this news pumped Stellar a little bit. Stellar's live on the Samsung blockchain key store. So they're partnering with Samsung to recruit and support developers in the ecosystem and create compatible apps and services. Stellar, big news. Now, I want you to understand right here that this is accumulation, right? So the whales, institutions, and smart money, they buy down here when nothing's happening, right? When everybody's just like, man, I shouldn't have bought the top. I shouldn't have bought the top. I shouldn't have bought the top. Or I shouldn't have bought the top. I shouldn't have bought the top. And they're all down here, just retail just feels lifeless, right? Well, that's when the whales start buying. They don't chase these big candles because they already bought, right? The whales, institutions, smart money, they buy an accumulation. And I want to propose a strategy for you. Like this altcoin season that's taking off right now, you know, I was buying in May, right? And so it's important to understand that it takes these coins time to develop, and it's almost like planting seeds. You're planting seeds, you're planting seeds, and then you harvest on the run-ups, okay? Harvest on the, but it's, you have to wait. You have to be patient. Everybody wants 90% gains in a day, and it does happen, but it's not guaranteed, right? And so, but if you buy an accumulation, the chances of catching these run-ups are pretty high, right? And so just understand this. Now let me paint this picture with XLM. So XLM, here's markdown phase. Here's accumulation. There was 1 year accumulation happened for XLM. Now, this recently changed. I have this set up and I talked about this to you guys. So you want to buy the breakout of this level right here, or if it pulls back to support, you want to buy the retest. And this will be markup phase. Your targets are up here. There's a lot of upside here for XLM going forward. So just keep in mind, something happens, you might need to buy the retest or buy the breakout. This is not, hey, buy now. This is, if this happens, then do this. But just keep in mind, you got a year-long accumulation, which is huge. And so here's the difference. I want you to see all these moving averages. So you got the 200. I talk to you guys about this all the time. The 200 simple comes in here and becomes a catalyst. So it broke. It comes in here and the price action came up and hit it, got rejected, broke above it. Anytime you see the price action break above the 200, you get these moves, explosive moves higher. Well, here, it came back up, tested this resistance level, and pulled back to support, which was the 200 as well. And then, boom, retest to the upside, right? Explosive moves. So now the price action is bullish because it's above all the major moving averages, and they just crossed. So you got your golden cross, you got all the major moving averages crossed bullish above it. Now they're going to get in, now you'll see them get in order. You'll have the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, the 200, and that'll be a sign of a good, strong uptrend as this continues higher. So again, this is the daily chart. This is not going to happen tomorrow. Everything's always contingent on Bitcoin. That goes without saying. But it's important to understand that after accumulation, markup phase, and a Wyckoff market cycle. So accumulation is down here, right? You want to buy, this is, you can know nothing about trading, technical analysis, and you will make a ton of money just on this idea, I promise. Listen, you do not have to be the master technical analyst to make a ton of money in this market. You just have to understand some basics, like number one, skip markdown, markdown, skip it. Why do you want to ride these coins lower? Buy an accumulation, right? When it's doing nothing, be patient, live life. Mark up, ride the baby, because you already have it. You're not trying to time these breakouts. You're not time. Mark up, ride it. Distribution, when it starts to essentially move sideways and you get these topping patterns, head and shoulders, double tops, you get these ideas, and then take profits. Skip markdown. The cycle repeats. Do the same thing. Wash, rinse, repeat. When you don't know anything about technical analysis, you want to stick to midterm hold ideas because you don't see the signals. It's like, hey, me and you hop in the car, we go right around town, and you're going to get wrecked because your eyes are closed. You don't understand what a stop sign is. You don't see what a green light means. You don't see the signals in this market like people that know the technicals do, right? So you're trading against the elite here. Bots, high frequency trading bots, algos as well. So you're trading. Even if you're just buying and holding, you're still technically trading, right? At some point, you're going to have to take profits. At some point, I had somebody reach out and they said, I can't sell. I'm a holder. I'm gonna watch this go up and then I'm going to watch it go back down, and I'm going to say to myself, I wish I would have sold. And I'm thinking, you're giving up. You're gonna watch these coins ride higher, and then you're gonna watch everybody else take your money, everybody else take your profits. So remember, you can't lose taking profits. You're not going to nail the bottom, you're not going to nail the top, and you just have to be okay with it. You cannot lose taking profits, right? You'll miss opportunities, but it's not the same thing. Lock in profits. Lock in profits. Even if you're just taking like 10%, 25%, lock in some profits on the way higher. Leave a little bit in there. Let it continue to run. All of these cryptos pull back. All of them. Every single one of them. Think how many times, Bitcoin runs up to 20,000 and then it's 3,000. Then it's 14,000, then it's 6,000. Then it's 10,500. Then it's 38.50. Plenty of time to buy Bitcoin in the $3,000, $4,000 price range. So these altcoins too, they pull back. So lock in your profits. Next subject. This is all the talk today. There's so many Twitter accounts that got hacked today, and everybody's saying, hey, send Bitcoin, we're going to send back, we're sending you twice as much Bitcoin as you send back. And a lot of people on YouTube are going to say, what? I'm not going to use Twitter, all these hacks. And then I would say, well, YouTube, like right before you watch my video, you see all these scammy, like paid ads that YouTube's running, right? It's like, let's get through this, and I want to pose a question to you guys. Jeff Bezos says, I decided to give back to my community. All the Bitcoin sent to my address is going to be doubled. Scam. Hack. Don't do it. Apple. Little names like Apple. Jeff Bezos. Little names, right? Little names. Hey, they're going to double your Bitcoin and send it back. Elon Musk. Who is this guy? Tesla. SpaceX. Billionaire. Oh, he's going to send you send $1,000, he's going to send you 2,000 back. Scam, don't do it. Gemini got hacked. Coinbase and Gemini. These are Twitter accounts. This is not, hey, crypto, right? CZ, Crypto Bitlord, Kucoin, Binance, CoinDesk, a bunch of Charlie Lee, Justin Sun, Tron Foundation, at Bitcoin, Ripple, Bitfinex, everybody. Now, look at here. Elon Musk, Bill Gates get hacked in this apparent Bitcoin scam. And even official accounts of Barack Obama, Joe Biden, and Kanye West have asked for donations in cryptocurrency. Scam. Bill Gates, who's this guy? I'm doubling payments sent to my Bitcoin address for the next 30 minutes. Send me 1,000, I'll send you. Come on, man. Are you serious? But this one, I'm going to take advantage of. I love it. This one, I'm probably going to go ahead and double pay my taxes this year because the Federal Reserve says I'm giving back to my country due to the panic situation. All U.S. dollars sent to my address are going to be sent back doubled. I'm going to double pay my taxes. That's all there is to it. You can do this for the next 6 months. Enjoy. Thought it was comical. My question to you guys is this. What kind of black eye does this create for crypto? I mean, guess what's all the talk right now? Guess, how many people just saw Bitcoin scams, really? Like, what does this do to crypto? And gosh, man, if you only knew the number of people that reach out to me and they did this. They sent their Bitcoin and expected something in return. And just know that you're not going to get anything back ever. Like, if you send your crypto or your Bitcoin, it's gone. Do not ever expect it. Someone says, hey, I'm going to invest it for you. Goodbye. The only free giveaway is the crypto you're sending them, right? So everybody comes into this market to get rich, and greed kicks in, and they just don't even think straight. Be careful. They're trying to trick us. They're trying to take our money, always. Everybody. This market, trading this market, holding this market, everybody is involved in this market. Like, the goal of this channel and the trading group and just kind of what I stand for is, hey, let's be different than everybody else. Let's not shill these projects. Let's give honest ideas about how to make money in this market. And so this is kind of disheartening as far as crypto goes in general. Ankr. Today we are announcing our collaboration with DeFi aggregator Plutus DeFi. Ankr pumped on this news. Plutus DeFi is going to use Ankr to move their Ethereum validation nodes to Ankr and roll out one-click deployment for the future PLT staking campaigns. Ankr, this is a setup that I posted in Trading Group, and I've been obviously talking about Ankr because it's been exploding. But whenever you got these coins that just run and take off, you know, it's important. This is a zoomed in 10-minute time frame, right? You find these little bull flags, bull pennants, falling wedges. This was kind of inverse, head and shoulder-ish. And that's where you find your entry, right? Because this is up tremendously, right, in a short period of time. But you find your entry here, and you can see Ankr did break out to the upside. This inverse head and shoulders did play out, came back up here, possible retest. And at the last I checked, this looks like it was retesting and moving higher. But Ankr, remember, I post a lot of midterm holds in group, and I talk to you guys about midterm holds. The idea is you're buying these coins and you're holding them for 3 to 5 weeks, possibly a little bit longer, just depending on Bitcoin. Everything changes. Bitcoin makes a big move, you got to reassess things, right? But this was posted, Ankr was posted for you guys, and it's up 181% since that happened. I had a lot of people reach out about Ankr. I'm glad to help you guys make as many profits as I possibly can. Again, posted it back in the trading group, up 258%. But just know, like we talked about, buying an accumulation down here when it's just like nothing's happening. Okay, so what? You're sitting in it in May, April. It's doing nothing. And then boom, it takes off. As soon as you start to see it curl to the upside, make some moves above the 200 simple, especially on the higher time frames, life-changing money. The top 10 undervalued project by development activity in the last 30 days. So there's a lot of updates on GitHub with Solana, Raiden, LBRY. Remember that GitHub commits, there's a bunch of development, but what I would say is this, remember that there's a lot of speculation in this market. Actual mainstream adoption isn't as important to the price, the development activity. We need to see news out of these guys. We need to see, hey, we're developing this, we're coming up. We need to see results, not GitHub commits, right? Because this market's not in a situation where, hey, things are happening right now, mainstream's adopting this. Like, they may paint that picture, but we're just not quite there yet, right? Most people don't even know what Bitcoin is. Maybe after today's Twitter situation probably put Bitcoin on the map. Everybody's going to be talking about it, not in a positive light. What would be more important that I would like to see is who's got the best marketing. Because I guarantee the top coins with the best marketing and partnerships, that's what moves this market. Marketing, partnerships, like things that retail can grasp. Like retail's not going to GitHub and watching and seeing what the code looks like. Okay, so just painting that picture. This is about perception. This market is very speculative. ERD, are you serious? We're freaking killing it. You guys, Binance going to announce the mainnet upgrade. And it actually just flagged here, and it's starting to climb even higher. All right, so if you're looking for entry on one of these coins that's moving higher, you go into the shorter term time frames and you find one of these falling wedges, and then especially when you start to get these parabolic moves to the upside, that's when you get your biggest, quickest, fastest gains. But again, you're buying back here like the whales and institutions. This is accumulation. As soon as you start to see it tick higher, it's all over with. Now, again, you would have had to hold it for a couple months. But it's all paying off right now. When you bought it for 20 Satoshis and you've almost 10x your money, boom, life-changing money. Okay, so here's the deal. Buying the breakout of this level, Tezos making some moves. Kind of reminds me of what Link was doing. Here's your targets up here. Seems like sometimes they can't get these out fast enough, so possibly you can look for a retrace to get into this Tezos setup. Link USDT, buy the breakout of this level. So really want to focus on the idea of these double bottoms here. You got double bottom, boom, move to the upside. Double bottom, move to the upside. If you just trade these double bottoms, you're going to do a lot better. If you don't have to understand anything about anything other than taking in profits. And again, buying the breakout of this triangle. Again, there's a double bottom here. It's not marked. Buying the breakout, and you get your targets up here. Let's look at the market. Market's moving pretty well. If you guys haven't made an account on Binance, why not? All these tiny little small market caps I'm talking to you guys about have been mooning. Lambos and moons are back in these tiny coins. ERD, baby, 15% day after day. SOL, I talked to you, I gave you guys a setup previously. Ankr, there it is. You guys do not have a Binance account, go to the link in the description, make a Binance account, trade. This is where the easiest money you're going to make in crypto right now. This is it. Let's take a look at the stock market. Stock market says Wells Fargo is a hot mess. It has only itself to blame. It's gone from one of the America's strongest big banks to easily the weakest. So there's the new wave. Is the stock market topping out? Is Bitcoin going to follow it? And after hours trading, pretty flat. So we'll have to keep an idea on what's happening with that. Bitcoin dominance. As Bitcoin dominance drops, which it has been doing, these altcoins, these small caps have been taking off. Now, possibly this comes down here and puts in some type of bottom, double bottom type bounce, right? And then we'll move in this range for a little bit. If this breaks lower, man, I'm telling you, like these altcoins, God, I can't even believe it. Like I expected an altcoin season after the halving just because I knew Bitcoin wasn't going to do anything for a period of time. And this has just been beyond what I expected. This whole season has been amazing. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.